Friends, welcome back to the SK CAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare 3D model in SolidWorks software. So you can see I choose this drawing. This is a Plumber Block part 2. Name is cover. So all the dimensions are mentioned in the First I will create this sketch and I will do remaining features like holes. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, friends. Select extrude, select front plane, select center line, click OK, again select line, okay. So you can see the dimension. This is 12 mm and this thickness is 10 mm. From the center point to here 6 mm, and also two arcs is there. One arc is 19 mm, another is 36 mm. First give this dimension. This is the 12 mm and this is 10 mm. And from here to here overall length is 86 divided by 2, friends, 43 mm. This is 22 mm, and from here to here 6 mm. And also arcs is there. That select circle, create one circle, that is 19 mm arc, and also one more circle. Give the dimension 19 into 2, 38. One more circle arc is 36 mm. 36 into 2, 72 mm. Okay, remaining unwanted lines, trim the unwanted lines. Now select line attached to the circle, click OK. Select all the lines, select mirror entities, select mirror about center line, click OK. Now select the trim entity, trim the unwanted lines, and also give the dimension this arc. Okay, sketch is fully defined. Finish sketch. For revolve, select the mid plane, give 36 mm dimension, click OK. Now base is ready, friends. You can see this is arc shape is there. That arc dimension is 43 mm. For that, select the top surface, sketch, normal, select circle, give one 83 mm dia circle, give the dimension 86 mm, 86. So now we need to remove this material, outside materials. Select this line, and this line. Same, this line, and this line. Here select convert entities, click OK. Select extruded cut, select this portions, edge portions, click OK. Now you can see shape has created. After that, two holes are there. For that, select this surface, normal, select one circle, that is diameter is 10.5 mm. Give the dimension from the center. 62 pitch is there. 62 divided by 2, 31 mm. Diameter is 10.5. select the center point and select origin center point, give horizontal constraint. Again select center line. So select this entire circle, select this entire circle and select mirror entities, select mirror about center line, click OK. So finish sketch, select extruded cut, here select through hole, click OK. So 2 holes are created. So now we can see there is a arc is there, that is 12 mm arc to sit the screw head. So for that select this surface, sketch, normal, select circle, that is R2 is there, R2 into 2, 24 mm dia, give the dimension 24, select center line here, so select full sketch, select mirror entities, select about mirror, click center line, click OK. So finish sketch, select here extruded cut, reverse the direction, here select through hole, click OK. So now you can see to sit the bolted cutout has created. Now remaining there is a center 2 holes is there, that is 3 mm diameter and upside 6 mm diameter up to 10 mm. For that select the reference, select plane, take any one plane. Okay, I will take this plane, dimension 36 mm I want, click OK. So select this surface, sketch, first create on dia 3 circle, dia 3 mm, so click OK. So extruded cut, through hole, click OK. Again select this surface, sketch, again select dia 6 circle, give the dimension 6, click OK. Select extruded cut up to 10 mm, click OK. You can see friends, 2 holes are created. Turn up the flame, you can see the stop also. I think that's it friends in this drawing. If anything is missing, let me know in the comment box please. So we can assign the material over here, select appearances. In the appearances we can select steel. In the steel I will go with sand blasted steel. Okay, and also we can give some good colors here to looking very good looking. So you can see friends, you can change like this colors and all. So which color you want, you can select over here. Okay, save the part. Wherever you want, you can share this. This is, if you share now, it will first we need to convert it into step file, then we can share friends, then only other people can access. So that's it friend, today's session. If you like this session, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Thanks for watching this video. I see you in the next video.